Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into the 1-inch wallet, which is a top choice for DeFi users in 2025. So if you are curious about its features, benefits and drawbacks, then stick around to learn more. So 1-inch wallet is a non-custodial DeFi wallet that is designed to provide you with seamless access to the DEXs, swaps and other Web3 functionalities. It is known for its aggregation protocol. It ensures that you get the best prices across multiple platforms. Now let's talk about some of its features and pros. So 1-inch wallet automatically finds the best rates for the token swaps by aggregating the prices from the multiple DEXs. It supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon and other popular blockchains for the diverse portfolio management. The intuitive designs cater for the beginners and experienced DeFi users. It also gives you the full control over your private keys, which ensures that your funds remain secure. It gives you the access to lending, staking, and decentralized applications directly from the application, and it is available on iOS, Android, and as an browser extension. Now, there are some of the cons for the 1-inch wallet. The first one is that it focused primarily on DeFi, which make it less ideal for the simple crypto storage or the casual users. There is no support for NFTs at the time of this review, which limiting its utility for the collectors. There are some of the advanced features that may feel overwhelming for beginners who are unfamiliar with the DeFis. So if you want to get started with 1-inch, I will create a detailed tutorial on this topic as well. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. In a nutshell, if I talk about the 1-inch wallet, so in my opinion, it is excellent option for the DeFi enthusiasts who want the best rates, multi-chain compatibility and easy access to the dApps. However, if you are looking for a basic wallet or if you need NFT support, you might want to explore the alternatives. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.